Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Nice Guy in Utah on his Cobra 148. Nice Guy will get you ready to go. On the back here, as requested, is two switches. One for your 5-tone Roger beat and one for your VFO wind up. Your RF power is right here, all the way down, a little less than a half a watt. Nice and smooth all the way up. It goes about 6 watts. We'll roll it back down. We'll go with a 100-watt scale. Going to show you average power swing first. Low 10 bird watts out of this Cobra 148. Upgrade to final. Several more things. Low. There's your peak power. 22 peak watts. Alright, Nice Guy, it's ready to come to you. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck, truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.